Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do Identities. Test Yourself Chapter 12. Test Yourself page number 161. Question 6. If a square plus b square is equal to 41 and ab is equal to 4, find a minus b. Now let's use this identity. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square. We have that here already, and minus 2ab, and we have ab. So let's apply this here. So this will be a minus b the whole square. So we're finding the square of this. This is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now a square plus b square, the value is given to us. So that is 41 minus 2 into ab is also given to us 4. So what are we finding out? We're finding out a minus b the whole square. So now here again we can get a minus b the whole square. Let's simplify this, is 41 minus 2 fours are 8. So again a minus b the whole square is equal to 33. Now we know the value of a minus b the whole square, but we only want a minus b because that is what is asked in the question. We don't want the square of it. We only want a minus b. So that means a minus b is equal to the square root of 33. So this is our answer. A minus b is equal to the square root of 33. Same thing, question 6, second part, find a plus b this time. So let's apply this formula. A plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. So let's write that here. So a plus b the whole square. So we're finding the whole square first, is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here we know the value of a square plus b square. It is there in the question itself. So that is 41. That is 41 plus 2ab, and ab also here the value is given to us in the question. Ab is 4. So that is 2 into 4. So here what are we finding out? We are finding out a plus b the whole square. So again, just by simplifying, we can find a plus b the whole square, that is 41 plus 2 fours are 8. So we have found the value of a plus b the whole square. 41 plus 8 is 49. So if we have to find only a plus b, we have to find the square root of 49. And what is the square root of 49? 7, because 7 sevens are 49. So we have found the value of a plus b, and that is 7. So this is our answer. Question 7. Now here we have, if 2a plus 1 by 2a is equal to 8, find 4a square plus 1 by 4a square. So here let's take this and use the formula a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in this case, a will be the first term, that is 2a, and b will be the second term, which is 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. So here let's see what we get here. So this will be 2a plus 1 by 2a the whole square. So here we are squaring this, okay, what is given to us in the question, so that we'll get this one. So 2a plus 1 by 2a the whole square is equal to, now this is in the form of a plus b the whole square, and a is 2a and b is this. So a square, which is 2a the whole square, plus b square. What is b? b is 1 by 2a, the square of this, plus 2ab, that is 2 into, what is a? 2a, and what is b? 1 by 2a. Now let's simplify this. So when we simplify this, 2a the whole square will be 2 into 2, which is 4, and a into a, which is a square, plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, a into a is a square, plus what can we cancel here? I can cancel 2a and 2a, so I only have 2. Now here on this side I have 2a plus 1 the whole square. Now 2a plus 1 is given to us in the question as 8. So this will be 8 square. Now let's simplify that also. 8 square is 64. 8 8s are 64, which is equal to 4a square plus 1 by 4a square plus 2. Now what should we find out? We have to find out 4a square plus 1 by 4a square, that is this. So we're going to leave this here and write this as an equation. 4a square plus 1 by 4a square plus 2. This is equal to, what do we have on this side? 64. So this is equal to 64. That means if we have to find only 4a square plus 1 by 4a square, this will be 64 minus 2. And how much is 64 minus 2? 62. So we have found the answer for 4a square plus 1 by 4a square, that is 4a square, and that is 62. Question 2. Part of the same question, 7th one, question 2. 16a square plus 1 by a square. Now, in the previous question, we got this, isn't it? We got 4a square plus 1 by 4a square is equal to 62. Now, if we find the square of this, we will get 16a square plus 1 by 16a square. We will be able to find that. So, if we square this, we have to square this side also. So, both sides have to be squared. Now, this is now in the form of a plus b the whole square. So, we can apply this identity a plus b the whole square. So, in that case, what is a and what is b? So, look at the first term here. This is a, 4a square. And what is b? 1 by 4a square. So, let's write that a is 4a square and b is 1 by 4a square. So, when you use this formula, you should be careful to write this instead of a and b respectively. So now this is going to be 4a square plus 1 by 4a square. The whole square of this is what we are finding out. This is equal to a square, which is 4a square. This is a, the square of this, plus b. What is b? 1 by 4a square, the square of this, plus 2ab. 2 into a. What is a? 4a square into b, 1 by 4a square. Now let's simplify. So here we have 4a square plus 1 by 4a square is equal to 62 square. That is 62 into 62, which is equal to 3844. 62 into 62. So now 4a square, that is 4 4s are 16. So 16. Now here we have a to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2. So 2 2s are 4. So this becomes a to the power of 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Then again we have 4a square. So 4 into 4 is 16. Then a square, that is a is raised to the power of 2 into 2 is a to the power of 4. Now here, let's see what we have. Here we can cancel 4a square and 4a square. So let's cancel that, 4a square, 4a square. So what is left is only 2. So now this is what we have to find out. Okay, that is asked in the question. That is 16a to the power of 4 plus 1 by 16a to the power of 4. So this is 16 a to the power of 4 plus 1 by 16 a to the power of 4 plus 2 is equal to 3844. Now if we have to find out only 16 a to the power of 4 plus 1 by 16 a to the power of 4, this will be 3844 minus 2. So let's get our answer. 16a raised to the power of 4 plus 1 by 16a raised to the power of 4 is equal to 3842. So this is our answer. Question 8. If 3x minus 1 by 3x is equal to 5, find 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. So if you square this, you will get 9x square, isn't it? So we'll use the formula for this, that is a minus b the whole square. So here we're going to write a minus b the whole square and use this formula, and you'll get a square plus b square. Remember, whether this is minus or not, this will always be plus. The minus comes only with 2ab. Okay, so in this case, what is a? A is 3x, the first term, that is this one. And this is b. b is 1 by 3x. So keeping that in mind, let's apply the formula. So this is 3x minus 1 by 3x. And this is equal to 5. Remember, this is equal to 5. So when you square this, even 5 has to be squared. So the square, now this is a minus b the whole square in that format. So that is a square. And what is a? A is 3x. A square plus b square. What is b? b is 1 by 3x. It's 1 by 3x. 1 by 3x the whole square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a, which is 3x, into b, which is 1 by 3x. Now let's simplify. So here, as you can see, 3x minus 1 by 3x is 5. So when you square this, you must square the other side also. So that is 5 square. 5 square is equal to, now let's simplify this. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. X into x is x square. Plus, here also everything is square. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 3s are 9. X into x is x square. Minus, now here we can cancel 3x and 3x. We only have 2. So here what do we have? 5 square. 5 5s are 25. 25 is equal to 9x square plus 1 by 9x square minus 2. Now can you see? Here we have 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. That is what we have been asked to find. So let's leave it here and let's continue. So this is 9x square plus 1 by 9x square minus 2. This is equal to 25, isn't it? 25 is here and it says it's equal to 25. So I put it there. Now we're going to find out only 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. That will be 25 plus 2. And how did it become plus 2? Because here, as you can see, it is minus 2. When I carry it to the other side, it becomes plus 2. So now we can find the value of 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. And that is 25 plus 2, which is 27. So we have found our answer. 9x square plus 1 by 9x square is equal to 27. Question 2. Same question, part 2 of question 8. 81 x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81 x to the power of 4 is what we need to find out. Now in the previous question we found that 9x square plus 1 by 9x square is equal to 27. We found this, isn't it, in the previous question. Now if I multiply this twice, if I find the square of this, I will get 81x to the power of 4. So I'm going to take this as a plus b. So this will be a plus b the whole square. That means squaring both sides, you get it like this. So now let's apply this formula. So here the formula is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In this case, a will be 9x square and b will be 1 by 9x square. So a is 9x square and b will be 1 by 9x square. So now let's apply the formula. So that is 9x square plus 1 by 9x square, the whole square of this. The whole square of this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So that is a square. And what is a? 9x square. This is a. Now the square of this is, I have to square this whole thing. Plus b square. And what is b? b is 1 by 9x square. Now find the square of this whole thing. Plus 2ab. 2 into a is 9x square. Into b is 1 by 9x square. Now let's simplify. So here we know that 9x square plus 1 by 9x square is 27. So the square of that will be 27 into 27. And that is equal to 729. Now here let's find this. 9 square, that is 9 into 9 is 81. Then x square, that is squared. That means I have to multiply the powers. 2 into 2 is 4. So that becomes x to the power of 4 plus 1 by, again 9 into 9 is 81 and x square into raised to the power of 2 is x to the power of 4 plus 2. Now let's cancel 9x square and 9x square. So we only have 2. So here, can you see we have found this part. We are able to reach this part and this is what is asked the question. 81x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81x to the power of 4. So we're going to find this. So let's leave this here. 81x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81x to the power of 4 plus 2 is equal to 729. Now if I have to find out only this, it is 81 x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81 x to the power of 4. This is what we need to find out. This will be 729 minus 2. So we have a final answer 81 x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 81 x to the power of 4 is equal to 727. So this is our final answer. Question 9 is expand, and here we have three terms 1, 2 and 3 and the square of this. So we can use this formula a plus b plus c the whole square. What is the answer to this? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we're going to apply this formula to this because this is also in that format. So here what will a be? A is 3x. So a is equal to 3x. B will be equal to, now take the minus sign, minus 4y along with this, and C will become 5z. Okay, so now we're going to apply the formula of a plus b plus c the whole square. So let's write that 3x minus 4y plus 5z the whole square is equal to a square. What is a? 3x and square of this plus b square. And what is b? Minus 4y, the square of this. Then c square. And what is c? C is 5z, the square of this. Plus 2ab. So 2ab means 2 into a, which is 3x, into b, which is minus 4y. Plus 2bc. 2 into b is minus 4y into c, and c is 5z, plus 2ca. 2 into c is 5z into a, and a is 3x. Now we have to simplify all these. So when we simplify this, now this part is 3x minus 4y plus 5z the whole square. So now let's begin with this first one. So this is 3x the whole square. So that is 3 into 3, that is 9. X into x is x square. Plus, let's go to the next one. Minus 4y. Minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. Y into y is y square. Let's take the next one. Plus 5z square. That is 5 into 5 is 25. Z into z is z square. Now let's go to this part. So here let's multiply the numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. We have a minus sign. So that is minus 24. Now look at the literals. I have x and y. So minus 24 x y. Now let's take the next one, that is this portion. Let's multiply the numbers. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 5s are 40 with a minus sign. So that is minus 40. And what are the letters? Y and z. Then let's go to the next one. That is this last set. Let's multiply the numbers. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. So that is plus 30 and zx. Now look carefully for like terms. Now here we have 9x square. So there is no other like term with 9x square, isn't it? So we can write that first. So this is 9x square. Now let's take the second term, 16y square. Do we have another y square anywhere? we don't have another y square. So we have only one of that. Similarly, if we look around and see z square, we don't have another z square. Xy, we don't have another xy. Yz, we don't have another one. And zx, we don't have another one. That means all these are terms by themselves. They don't have any other like terms. So we don't have to rewrite this. This will be our final answer. So this is our answer. That is 9x square plus 16xy plus 25z square minus 24xy minus 40yz plus 30zx. Question 9, second one, 2a minus 5b minus 4c the whole square. Again, you have three terms and the whole square. So let's use this a plus b plus c the whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And here a is equal to the first term, which is 2a. So let's write a as 2a, this is b and this is c. So a is 2a, b is minus 5b and c is minus 4c. So now let's work this out. So this is 2a minus 5b minus 4c the whole square, which is a square, and a is 2a. That means a square will be 2a the whole square plus b square. What is b? Minus 5b the whole square plus c square. What is c? Minus 4c the whole square plus 2ab. That means 2 into a, which is 2a, into b, which is minus 5b, plus 2bc. So 2 into b is minus 5b into c, which is minus 4c, plus 2ca. So 2 into c is minus 4c into a is 2a. So now let's simplify all these. So let's write this down. So that is 2a minus 5b minus 4c. What is this equal to? So the first one, let's take 2a the whole square. That means 2 into 2 and a into a. 2 2s are 4. A into a is a square. Let's go to the next one. Minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25. Plus 25. B into b is b square. Let's go to the next one. Plus, and here we have minus 4c the whole square. That is minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16 and c into c is c square. Now let's take this. So here what do we have? We have one minus sign. So let's put that minus sign minus. Now let's multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So that is 20. And now we're going to look at the literals. That is a into b. A into b is ab. So this is ab. Now let's go to the next one here. So here we have the signs. Minus into minus is plus. So the sign is plus. Now let's multiply the numbers. 2 5s are 10. 10 4s are 40. So that is 40. And now let's look at the literals. The literals are b into c, which is bc. Now let's go to the last one. The last one, we have one minus sign. So let's put that minus sign. Let's multiply the numbers now. And that is 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So we have 16. Now let's look at the literals. What are the literals we have? C and A. C into A is CA. Now here the next thing you need to do is look for any like terms. As you can see, there are no like terms that you can add or subtract. So this will be our final answer. Question 3 here. So this time this is a binomial raised to the power of 3, isn't it? Now this will be in the form of a plus b the whole cube. So what is the formula for that? So a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So we're going to apply this formula here, and in that case a will be 5x. So let's write that a is equal to 5x, and b is equal to the second term, which is 3y. So let's apply that formula and do it here. So this is 5x plus 3y the whole cube. So this will be a cube. This is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. So a cube will be 5x the whole cube plus b cube, which is 3y the whole cube, plus 3a, that is 3 into a into b, 3ab. So this is 3ab into a plus b, which is, what is a? 5x, and b is 3y. So we get this clear, children? We are following this format: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So now let's simplify this. So 5x cube means 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125. X into x into x is x cube plus. Now here we go. 3 cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Y cube. Now let's look at this now here. So here what do we have? We have the numbers 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So let's write that, plus 45, and we have x, y, and in brackets we have 5x plus 3y. So here we have to do the multiplication of this. Okay, so let's simplify this further. So this is 125x cube plus 27y cube plus. Now how do we multiply this? We multiply this and this first. So that will be 45 into 5, that is 225. X into x is x square, and we have y. Now we have to multiply 45 in 45xy into 3y. So the sign is plus. 45 into 3 is 135. Xy into y is x, and y square. So this is the answer to 5x plus 3y the whole cube. So this is our final answer. Question 4 here is 6a minus 7b the whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. So this is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And a is 6a and b is 7b. So now let's apply that formula here. So 6a minus 7b the whole cube is the form of a minus b the whole cube. So a cube, that is 6a the whole cube, minus b cube, that is 7b the whole cube, minus 3 into a, that is 6a, into b, which is 7b, into a minus b, that is 6a minus 7b. Now let's work on this. 6 into 6 into 6 is 216 a cube, minus 7 into 7 into 7 is 343 b cube. Now here the sign is minus. Let's multiply the numbers. 3 6 are 18. 18 into 7 is 126, and we have a into b, ab. In brackets here we have 6a minus 7b. So here let's simplify further. This will remain the same. The second term remains the same. Now what we are going to do is, this is b cube. We are going to multiply minus 126ab into 6a. So the sign is minus. 126 into 6 is 756. Now we multiply a into a, that will be a square, and then we have b. So we finished multiplying with this. Now we're going to multiply minus 126ab with minus 7b. The sign minus into minus is plus. Then we multiply 126 into 7, and that is 882. ab into b. So there's only one a, and b into b is b square. So this is the answer for 6a minus 7b the whole cube. If a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 15, find a square plus b square plus c square. So here we can apply the formula, that is a plus b plus c the whole square. if we apply this, we will be able to find a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so let's expand this formula. So this becomes a square plus b square plus c square. So can you see this is the same thing as this? So we can find with this. Now let's continue with the formula plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now let's substitute. Now this value a plus b plus c is given to us. A plus b plus c is 9. So here if you're going to square this, we have to square this also. So squaring both sides, here 9 square. So this will be 9 square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus. Now here you can see we have been given a plus b plus c, ab plus bc plus ca is 15. Whereas here it's given us 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, isn't it? Now if we have to get it in this format, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the 2. We're going to put the 2 here and make a bracket. So 2 is common to all three terms. So we are taking the common term out and we are writing the rest of it. That is ab plus bc plus ca. So 2 we have taken it out. Now let's simplify this further. 9 square is 9 nines are 81. And here a square plus b square plus c square is what we are going to find out. Plus 2 into. Now this ab plus bc plus ca is given to us here and that is 15. So now we're going to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into 15 is 30 and all this is equal to 81. So let's write 81 this side, 81. Now let's find only the value of a square plus b square plus c square. That will be equal to 81 minus 30 because we have transposed this plus 30 to the other side. It has become minus 30. So now we can get the value of a square plus b square plus c square and that is 81 minus 30 which is 51. So this is our final answer 51. Question 11. If a plus b plus c is equal to 11 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 81, find ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so here also since it's a trinomial we can apply the formula a plus b plus c the whole square. So that is a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now let's substitute wherever we can. Now A plus B plus C is already given to us and that is 11. So if I'm going to square this side, I have to square this side also. So 11 square. And then even this we have been given A square plus B square plus C square. It's given to us in the question as 81. So we can write 81 plus. Now here we have been asked to find AB plus BC plus CA. Here we have 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So to find out only one of this, I have to take out the common number that is 2 outside and inside I can write AB plus BC plus CA. So now we're going to find this. So here I can write this as 81 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to how much? 11 square. That is 11 into 11 which is 121. Now if I want to find out only 2 AB plus BC plus CA, then what do? I write 121 and I transpose this 81 to the other side. It becomes minus 81. So now I can find 2 into AB plus BC plus CA and that is 121 minus 81 which is 40. So if I have to find the value of only AB plus BC plus CA, then I need to take this 2 to the other side. And because it's multiplication here, it becomes division when it goes to the other side. So 40 divided by 2 and 40 divided by 2 is 20. So we have found the value of AB plus BC plus CA and that is 20. So this is our answer 20. Question 12 is 3x minus 4y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 3. Find 27x cube minus 64y cube. So here we're going to use the formula of a minus b the whole cube, that is a minus b the whole cube in the place of 3x minus 4y. So 3x minus 4y is taken as a minus b. So the formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So now let's substitute. Now here a minus b is 3x minus 4y cube. Now a cube. So a is 3x, remember that the first term, and b is 4y. A cube and a is 3x. So 3x cube minus b cube, which is 4y cube, minus 3 into a, which is 3x, into b, which is 4y, into a minus b, that is 3x minus 4y. Now we're going to substitute wherever we can. So here we have 3x minus 4y the whole cube. Now we already know 3x minus 4y is 5. So if we are going to cube this, this also should be cubed. So that means 5 cubed. This is equal to, now let's simplify, 3x the whole cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and x cube minus 4y whole cube means 4 into 4 into 4, which is 64y cube. Now we're going to look at this part. Now the sign is minus. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. So this is 36xy into, now here we have 3x minus 4y, and in the question also it's already given to us 3x minus 4y is 5. So into 5. So now let's simplify this further. 5 cubed is 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. This is equal to 27x cubed minus 64y cubed. Now can you see? This is what we have been asked to find out. So let's continue with this. Now here this is minus, and we will multiply 36 into 5, which is 180. So 180xy. Now here what do we have? Here we have 125 is equal to 27x cube minus 64y cube minus 180 into xy. And how much is xy? In the question it says xy is 3. So into 3. So let's continue. 125 is equal to 27x to the power of 3 minus 64y to the power of 3 minus 540. Now here, since we have to find this, that is 27x cube minus 64y cube, this is what we have to find out, isn't it? Along with this, let's write this, and this is equal to 125. So here now I'm going to write only this, 27x cube minus 64y cube is equal to 125 plus 540. Why? Because I have transposed this to the other side. It has become plus. So now I have my final answer, 27x cube minus 64y cube is equal to 665. So this is our answer, 665. Question 13. If a plus b is equal to 8 and ab is equal to 15, find a cube plus b cube. So here again, let's use the formula a plus b the whole cube. So what is the formula for this? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So let's substitute here wherever we can. So this is equal to a plus b the whole cube. Now here a plus b is given to us, and that is 8. So if you're going to cube the left side, we should cube the right side also. So this is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into ab, and ab is also given to us as 15, and a plus b is also given to us as 8. So into 8. So we can write this as into 8. Multiplication. Now let's simplify. So here what do we have? 8 cube is 512. This is equal to a cube plus b cube plus. Now let's multiply all these. 15 threes are 45. 45 into 8. That is 360. So now to find the value of a cube plus b cube, first let's put it in this form. This is equal to 512. Now we are going to find only the value of a cube plus b cube, and that is 512 minus 360. So we have found the value of a cube plus b cube, and that is 152. So this is our final answer. Question 14. If 3x plus 2y is equal to 9 and xy is equal to 3, find 27x cubed plus 8y cubed. So again here let's use the formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. Let's use this. So this will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So let's substitute again. So here a plus b, that is this, isn't it? So let's put that in that form. That is 3x plus 2y the whole cube is equal to, now here what is a? A is equal to 3x. And what is b? B is equal to 2y. So let's substitute. A cube means 3x the whole cube plus b cube, and b is 2y, 2y the whole cube, plus 3ab means 3 into 3xa into b, that is 2y, into a plus b, which is 3x plus 2y. Now substitution wherever we can. Now 3x plus 2y is already given to us as 9. So the cube of that will be 9 cube, which is 3x the whole cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27x cube plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8y cube plus, now here let's multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So I have 18, x into y is xy, and here I have 3x plus 2y, and 3x plus 2y is already given to us as 9. So this is into 9. So let's continue. Now here we have 9 cube, which is 729. This is equal to 27x cube plus 8y cube. So you can see that we've already got what is asked in the question in our statement here. Okay, so the expression contains that, so we will continue and work this out. Plus, now here we have a multiplication, 18xy into 9. And we have already been given the value of xy, which is 3. So this can be 18 into xy, which is 3 into 9. So 729 is equal to 27x cube plus 8y cube plus. Now here let's multiply all three and see what we get. So 18 into 3 into 9 is 486. Now what we need to find out is this 27x cube plus 8y cube. So let's write this here, and on this other side we are going to write 729. Now 27x cube plus 8y cube is equal to 729 minus 486, because we have transposed this to the other side. So now we can find the value of 27x cube plus 8y cube. This is y cube, so let's put that 8y cube, which is 729 minus 486, which is 243. So this is our final answer, 243. Question 15. If 5x minus 4y is equal to 7 and xy is equal to 8, find 125x cube minus 64y cube. So you know, isn't it, children, that whenever you see a cube, apply the cube formula. So here we can apply the formula for a minus b, the whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So in this case, x is going to be the first term here. That a is going to be the first term, which is 5x. And b will be the second term, which is 4y. This is the second term. So keeping that in mind, let's work this out. 5x minus 4y the whole cube is equal to a cube. A is 5x. 5x the whole cube minus b cube, and b is 4y the whole cube, minus 3 into a, which is 5x, into b, which is 4y, into a minus b, which is 5x minus 4y. Now here we have been told 5x minus 4y is 7. So if you are writing the cube of this, we have to write the cube of that also. So that will be equal to 7 cube. Now here 5x cube. So 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125, and x cube minus 4 into 4 into 4, which is 64 y cube, minus, now here let's multiply this. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 4 is 60. Then x into y is xy. And what do we have here? We have 5x minus 4y, which is already given to us. 5x minus 4y is equal to 7. So into 7. So now here what do we have? 7 sevens are 49, and 49 into 7 is 343. 7 cube is 343. So this is 125x cube minus 64y cube. As you can see, this is there in the question. This is what we have to find out. So we've reached that part. Then minus 60 into xy is given to us in the question 8. So xy, instead of that, we're going to write 8 into 7. So here we've got 343 equals 125x cube minus 64y cube. Now we have to multiply all this. 16 into 8 into 7 is 3360. So now 125x cube minus 64y cube minus 3360 is equal to 343. So now to find the value of 125x cube minus 64y cube, we say 343 plus 3360. So that will be equal to 125x cube minus 64y cube is equal to 3703. So this is our answer. Question 16. The difference between two numbers is 5 and the product is 14. Find the difference between their cubes. So here the same questions that we have been doing has been given in the form of words. So we are going to make the mathematical statement out of this. Difference means subtract two numbers. So here they are saying any two numbers. So let's consider the two numbers to be x and y. And the difference between them is 5. That means x minus y is equal to 5. Difference is 5 and the product is 14. Product means x into y. xy is 14. Now we have to find the difference between their cubes. That means we have to find x cube minus y cube. So this is given to us, this is given to us. We have to find x cube minus y cube. So here again we can use the formula of a minus b the whole cube. Whenever cube is given, use the formula for cube. So this will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And what is a here? A is x and b is y, because we said let the two numbers be x and y. So how do we write this? We write this as x minus y the whole cube. And a cube means x cube minus b cube y cube minus 3 into a b means 3 into x y into x minus y. So here let's substitute wherever we can. Now x minus y we already know is 5. That is what we were told in the beginning. So x minus y is 5. So we can write 5 here But since it is x minus y cubed, this also is cubed. Now here x cubed minus y cubed is what we should find. Minus 3 into xy. And xy also is given to us in the question. Xy is 14 and x minus y is also given to us, and that is 5. So let's simplify all this. So 5 cubed means 125 is equal to x cubed minus y cubed minus. Now we have to multiply 3 into 14 into 5, which is equal to 210. So now we will rewrite this as x cubed minus y cubed minus 210 is equal to 125. Now we are going to find out only x cubed minus y cubed. This is equal to 125 plus 210. So now finally x cubed minus y cubed is equal to 125 plus 210, which is equal to 335. So this is our final answer, 335. So with this we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.